Hi, Zoe. Yeah.
In my boots.
So this is Zoe's Christmas dinner. Mashed yams and potatoes, some carrots, and gluten-free vegan stuffing that I made. And Zoe's excited.
So happy.
What's this, Zoe? Sit. Shh. Off. Off. Such a good girl. Go ahead. Oh, good stuff. Merry Christmas, though. Oh, is that good, Dinos? That's fine. Good girl, Zoe. Oh, I think that's some good. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Good girl. You've got some potato on your nose.
That's okay. She'll get it later.
Good girl, Zoe. Yeah, don't miss those two pieces. Oh, that's good stuff. Look at, you got another piece. Look at. Right there. Yeah. See, now we don't need to wash these either. Okay, clean. Spotless. Yeah, you gonna get it all? All of it? Are you done? What do you think, Zoe? You done? No, not yet?
Is that good?
Oh, good stuff. Zoe? Zoe?
No, Zoe.
Good girl. Okay. I think it's done. Good girl. Good girl, Zoe.
Good dinner.
You didn't drop any. No, you didn't. Good girl.
It's a good girl.